Hello, hello! I'm really happy to see you again. Recently, a friend of mine asked me to give her my foolproof muffin recipe. I was really happy to share with her my vegan banana muffin recipe that is super foolproof. I really hope you have a taste for sweet today because we are baking muffins. So what will you need? Some ripe bananas, 3 big ones or 4 medium ones, 300 grams of flour, 50 grams of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, a pinch of salt and baking powder. You smash the bananas with a fork. The more ripe, aka black skinned, were the bananas, the easiest this step will be. When they are a cool mass, we add the oil, we slightly mix. We then add our solid ingredients, the flour, the sugar and the salt with the baking powder. We mix everything with our fork until it becomes an even dough. If our bananas were super ripe, then we do not need any extra flavoring. However, if you cannot wait for them to get ripe and nice, like me, you can add a little bit of vanilla flavoring. After we add the muffin paper in the molds, we then add also the mixture to our molds. In case you do not have a muffin tray, you can just use silicone molds on a normal baking tray. Then you don't even need the paper ones. We make sure that the dough is evenly distributed in the molds to have them all nicely baked. Then we can add them in the oven for about 25 minutes at 175 degrees. An easy test to check if they are ready before or after this time it is with a toothpick or a knife. Just slightly pierce one muffin with a toothpick or a knife and remove it slowly. If it is clean, then the muffin is ready, you can take it off. However, if you can see some dough that is stuck on the toothpick or on the knife, then that means that they are not ready. They need a little bit more time. We take them from the oven and we let it cool down before we eat them. You can enjoy them as a breakfast or at any time really, it's up to you. If you also want, you can have a bigger batch made and then you can freeze them. Warm one of them as whenever you want in the mornings or with your coffee or anytime really, and you can enjoy freshly baked muffin anytime. Enjoy them. I'm really sure that you will find them very easy and really tasty.